through gilded halls where shadows dance. A prince's gaze, a fleeting chance. Her silken voice, a lullaby of time. Eternal reverie, a love so divine. Her crown of stars, his heart aligns. In whispers they bloom like roses at dawn. Forever together where dreams are drawn. Her touch, a petal on water's face. He moves through her, an endless grace. Their souls entwined, a tapestry of gold. Moonlight bows to their sacred vow. Time stands still, only here and now. The harp sings soft, the flute replies to hearts as one beneath endless sky. Eternal reverie, a love so divine. Her crown of stars, his heart aligns. In whispers they bloom like roses at dawn. Forever together where dreams are drawn. Through gilded halls where shadows dance. A prince's gaze, a fleeting chance. Her silken voice, a lullaby of time. Eternal reverie, a love so divine. Her crown of stars, his heart aligns. In whispers they bloom like roses at dawn. Forever together where dreams are drawn. Her touch, a petal on water's face. He moves through her, an endless grace. Their souls entwined, a tapestry of gold. Moonlight bows to their sacred vow. Time stands still, only here and now. The harp sings soft, the flute replies to hearts as one beneath endless sky. Eternal reverie, a love so divine. Her crown of stars, his heart aligns. In whispers gilded halls where shadows dance, a prince's gaze, a fleeting chance, her silken voice, a lullaby of time, eternal reverie, a love so divine, her crown of stars, his heart aligns, in whispers they bloom like roses at dawn, forever together where dreams are drawn. Her touch, a petal on water's face, he moves through her an endless grace, their souls entwined, a tapestry of gold. Moonlight bows to their sacred vow, time stands still only here and now, the harp sings soft, the flute replies, two hearts as one beneath endless sky. Eternal reverie, a love so divine, her crown of stars, his heart aligns, in whispers they bloom like roses at dawn, forever together where dreams are drawn. Through gilded halls where shadows dance, a prince's gaze, a fleeting chance, her silken voice, a lullaby of time, eternal reverie, a love so divine, her crown of stars, his heart aligns, in whispers they bloom like roses at dawn, forever together where dreams are drawn. Her touch, a petal on water's face, he moves through her an endless grace, their souls entwined, a tapestry of gold. Moonlight bows to their sacred vow, time stands still only here and now, the harp sings soft, the flute replies, two hearts as one beneath endless sky. Eternal reverie, a love so divine, her crown of stars, his heart aligns, in whispers together where dreams